10 game-changing beauty hacks you need to try. In this video, we'll reveal some amazing beauty tips and tricks that will transform your beauty routine. Let's dive deeper into each hack. Hack number 1, Ice Cube Primer. Begin your makeup routine with a refreshing ice cube. Gently rub an ice cube all over your face for a few seconds. This will help tighten your pores, reduce redness, and create a smooth canvas for your makeup. It's a quick and easy way to prep your skin and achieve a flawless look. Hack number 2, DIY Lip Scrub. Say goodbye to chapped lips with a homemade lip scrub. Mix a teaspoon of honey with brown sugar to create a natural exfoliating paste. Gently massage it onto your lips to remove dead skin cells, leaving your lips soft and kissable. Hack number 3, Vaseline Magic. Make your perfume last longer with a simple trick. Apply a tiny amount of Vaseline to your pulse points, wrists, neck, and behind your ears, before spraying your favorite perfume. The Vaseline will lock in the fragrance, ensuring it stays with you throughout the day. Hack number 4, Spoon Contouring. Achieve precise contouring and highlighting with a common kitchen utensil, a spoon. Place the curved side of the spoon against your cheekbone and use it as a guide for contouring. Then, flip the spoon and use the rounded end to highlight under your eyes. This hack guarantees a perfectly sculpted look. Hack number 5, Mascara Hack. Revive dried out mascara with a few drops of saline solution. Add a couple of drops to the mascara tube, and then gently shake it to mix the solution with the formula. Your mascara will be as good as new, and you'll get more use out of it. Hack number 6, Bobby Pin Eyeliner. Struggling with achieving the perfect winged eyeliner? Grab a bobby pin. Place it at the corner of your eye, using the pin's straight edge as a stencil for your wing. This hack ensures symmetrical wings every time. Hack number 7, Dry Shampoo at Night. Want to wake up with fresh, voluminous hair? Apply dry shampoo before bedtime. Spraying it on at night allows the product to absorb excess oil while you sleep, so you'll have clean and bouncy hair in the morning. Hack number 8, DIY Face Mask. Pamper your skin with a DIY face mask. Mix plain yogurt and honey to create a nourishing mask. Apply it evenly to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. This mask will hydrate your skin, leaving it soft, smooth, and glowing. Hack number 9, Toothbrush Exfoliation. Achieve soft, smooth lips with a soft toothbrush. Gently exfoliate your lips in a circular motion to remove dead skin cells and promote circulation. This hack leaves your lips looking plump and rejuvenated. Hack number 10, Lipstick Longevity. Make your lipstick last longer by setting it with a tissue and translucent powder. After applying your lipstick, place a tissue over your lips and lightly dust translucent powder over it. This technique helps to lock in the color and prevent smudging throughout the day. There you have it, 10 game-changing beauty hacks that will simplify your routine and enhance your look. Try them out, and let us know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.